check the 4 hour. 4 hour does not look good. So 30 minute looks good. 1 hour looks good. I will be looking at the 30 minute and the 1 hour. Basically, since we do have 1 hour set up right here as well for a break and a retest, that means we have two 30-minute candles that need to develop. So these next 32-minute candles, these 30-minute candles will determine whether we will go long or we will just go nowhere. We will not look for anything going long if we cannot retest this level right here, which is 132,900. Ew. That shit's been there for hours, bro. That's not my drink, bro. That shit was water. Where's my damn soda? Hey. Ugh. Just drank some fucking watered down orange juice. Anyways, y'all boys. Why'd you trim your beard? Because that shit grew a lot. And I'm not seeing my barber right now. Let me turn these fucking lights on. All right, y'all boys. Lumberjack vibes. Literally. Hey. What's up, Brandon? Your hairline is gone, bro. Yeah, I'm not worried about my hairline. I could have fixed my hairline $500,000 ago. I'm not worried about fixing my hairline. But anyways, yeah, what the fuck, bro? 6ix9ine stole my shark, bro. Tripping. He trying to become a savage. Anyways, y'all boys, I'm going to fucking sleep, man. I'll see you guys in the New York session. Like Lil Esco say, man, I'm going to fall with you.